Hi, I'm Selena. I've been a teacher for over 20 years and I'm a test prep expert with Study.com. In this lesson, we'll dive into the FTCE Computer Science K-12 005 exam, focusing on the knowledge of computational thinking and problem solving. I'll walk you through how to break down problems step by step and choose the best strategies so you feel confident and prepared to succeed. When designing an algorithm to check whether a word is a palindrome, reads the same backwards or forwards, which of the following solution strategies would be most appropriate? A. Loop to compare characters from both ends. B. Function to calculate word length. C. Sorting algorithm for alphabetical order. Or D. Enlarge font for visual symmetry check. B. Length alone doesn't tell you if the letters match forward or backward. D. Font size or how the word looks doesn't prove if it's a palindrome. You will need to compare the letters. The correct answer is A. This strategy allows the algorithm to check each character in the word against its opposite counterpart to determine if the word is a palindrome. It's efficient and directly addresses the problem by sequentially reducing the problem space until either a mismatch is found or all character pairs are confirmed to match. In which stage of the software development lifecycle would a developer write and execute unit tests to verify that individual parts of an application function correctly? A. Problem definition. B. Analysis. C. Design. D. Testing. A. This is where the developer figures out what problem needs solving, no coding or testing yet. B. Here the requirements are studied and documented, still no unit testing. C. This stage is about planning how the software will work. Tests aren't run yet. The correct answer is D. The testing stage of the software development lifecycle involves verifying that the software works as intended. Unit testing is a key part of this stage where individual units or components of the software are tested to ensure they operate correctly. This stage is critical for catching bugs and issues before the software is deployed or reaches the maintenance phase. For a program that needs to efficiently search for a specific context phone number in a large, sorted list of contacts, which algorithm would be the most appropriate to use? A good test-taking strategy is to look for keywords in the question, such as large and sorted. They are big clues. Anytime you see sorted list plus search, think binary search. A is a linear search. It works, but it checks each item one by one, too slow for a large sorted list. B, bubble sort. This is for sorting data, not searching. D, insertion sort, also a sorting algorithm, not used for searching. The correct answer is C. A binary search algorithm is efficient for finding an item in a sorted list. It repeatedly divides the range of possible locations in half until the item is found or till it can be determined that the item is not on the list. This method is much more efficient than a linear search, particularly for large data sets, because it significantly reduces the number of comparisons needed. Given an algorithm that takes a list of integers and returns a new list containing only the even numbers multiplied by 2, what would be the output when the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? A good test-taking strategy. When the question says return a new list containing only, that word is a clue that some items are removed. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just the original list. C, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This multiplies every number by 2, but the algorithm only multiplies even numbers. D, this keeps odd numbers the same and doubles the evens, but the algorithm says it creates a new list with only even numbers. The correct answer is B, 4, 8. The algorithm filters out the even numbers from the original list, which are 2 and 4, and then multiplies them by 2. The output would therefore be 22 and 42, resulting in 4 and 8. Thank you for joining me for some practice questions on the FTCE Computer Science K-12 005 exam, focusing on the knowledge of computational thinking and problem solving. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Computer Science K-12 005 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Computer Science K-12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.